Hello. Today we are going to learn why grinding a relief angle on a reel cutting mower is beneficial. You will learn the 4 principal angles of the cutting unit. You will learn the land percentage and preferred angles. You will also learn the difference between milk relief and ground relief. You will learn why OEMs design and build reels with the relief angle. And finally we will watch a video that shows how to set up the relief angle on your grinder. A properly sharpened, adjusted and maintained reel will result in saving money. The savings will come from many areas such as less time spent on reel maintenance. The turf will require less fertilizer and chemical spraying, because the grass can heal quickly from a sharp cut. Less horsepower and fuel is needed to cut the turf. The mower's hydraulic systems function at the lowest possible operating temperature, resulting in less wear and tear on the components. And a good quality of cut on the turf. There are 4 principal angles of the cutting unit. 2 are associated with the BATNIF, the top angle, and the front angle. The other 2 angles are angles found on the reel, the rake angle, and the relief angle. Our focus today is on the relief angle, why it is important, and how to set the relief angle on your grinder. The purpose of relief grinding is to reduce the width of the cutting edge so that the friction between the reel blades and the BATNIF is reduced to a minimum, resulting in less friction when mowing. This requires less horsepower from the engine, improves fuel efficiency, and reduces the amount of load and heat in the reel circuit. A relief grind can only be obtained by grinding. Backlapping only provides a mating or mirror image between the reel blades and the BATNIF. It does not provide a relief grind. OEMs grind relief onto the reels as part of their manufacturing process. Reel blades have a back relief angle where approximately 75% of the blade is removed, and there is a 25% land area. The OEM reel blade configuration has 2 process designs. First, fairway or rough mowers have a much thicker blade design with the ground in relief produced at the factory to maximize efficiency. Next, greens or T-mowers have a thinner blade design which utilizes a milled in relief manufacturing process and then ground in relief is produced at the factory. OEMs grind a relief angle to reduce the thickness of the blade so that spin grinding of the land takes place over a smaller area, thereby reducing friction and the time required to backlap or spin grind the blades. Now, watch this video and listen as Greg Turner, the International Sales Manager for Foley United, describes how to prepare the reel for your desired relief angle.
So the first thing we do is put the relief stone on and put the relief assembly in position. Now we're going to jog the grinding head up to snug the blade between the stone and the fixed finger. And once we're snug, all we're doing is we're checking clearance with the front roller, we're checking clearance with the blade above the one we're reliefing here, and we're looking at the actual angle, the way the blades track between the stone and the fixed finger. And to put it simply, if I look at my angle and I want more angle than what I'm looking at, then all I have to do is move the reel back towards me, a tooth or 2 or whatever. And if I want less angle than what I'm looking at, then I move the reel into the machine a tooth or 2. So really this is a one-time exercise to determine where the reel goes. Okay, so what I did is I just now moved the horizontal bracket 2 teeth towards me. So I'm going to jog the head up to trap the blade. And if you remember, bringing the reel towards me gives me more angle. But it also gave me much more clearance with the front roller, and it also made the blade above tighter to the stone. So again, you may have to move the reel around a little bit to get it where you want it, but again, it's a one-time exercise.